Encountering an MHE project file from specialized CAD software. This is from the MHwinEHE engineering application used in technical design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these MHwinEHE project files. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic MHE file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. MHE Files are project files created by MHwinEHE, a specialized CAD application used for engineering design and technical drawing work. They contain complete project data, including geometry, parameters, annotations, and technical specifications used in mechanical and architectural engineering workflows. MHE files use a proprietary format, specific to MHwinEHE, storing CAD entities as structured object collections with geometry definitions, parametric relationships, layer assignments, and engineering metadata. The structure preserves complete project state for accurate reproduction within MHwinEHE. Commonly, MHE files use MHwinEHE developed by Procedimientos Uno SL. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows lacks comprehensive 3D rendering features, so full file access depends on professional modeling software. We are testing the limits of your installed programs. Right-click the MHE file and select Open With. Test MHwinEHE first. If it fails, select another application. Compatibility is not always straightforward. If your MHE file is not opening yet, that is normal. Given the primary failure, we need precision. Execute these 3 specific troubleshooting moves to identify why the MHE file won't cooperate. First, opening an MHwinEHE. Launch MHwinEHE software and use File then Open Project to load the MHE file. The application reconstructs the complete CAD project with all geometry annotations and engineering data intact, ready for review, modification, or export to standard CAD interchange formats. Next, exporting to standard CAD. Within MHwinEHE, use the export function to convert MHE projects to DWG, DXF, or STEP formats. These standard formats open in widely available CAD software, like AutoCAD SolidWorks, or FreeCAD, enabling collaboration without requiring the original MHwinEHE application. Finally, contacting software vendor. If MHwinEHE software is unavailable, contact the original sender or software vendor for guidance on accessing MHE files. Specialized CAD vendors often provide viewer applications or conversion services for legacy project files, enabling continued access to engineering design data. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.